Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 31/8/2025 and the time is roughly around 10:30. Market is again looking extremely weak. There is no, talking of going long in this market, and we are at a very crucial stage. And This month is, we have a lot of astro events, and it's going to be a major month for the market and especially the 30th September, it's going to be a mega Euro Zero event like what happened on 31st of July. And technically, definitely it is looking weak. Let's see whether can we see any little bit of a pullback. Okay, so now coming to your EMA, SMA and all that, it is still looking weak and Nifty is heading towards your 200-day SMA. And unless and until it is not going to cross above and close above this, there is no question of going long in this market. Possibility that it will come and touch this area. Then coming to pitchfork, as we said before, that below this green color line, the possibility is this area, which is roughly around 24,000 to 24,100 area. This we are telling for the last so many weeks. So then when it comes to Ichimoku, again, it is definitely looking bad, and based on the fortune signals, it is taking little bit of support, and this area it's going to be very crucial for the market in case if there is a bounce from here. And technically, this is going to be your price time square. So watch out for this number. If it has to turn from here, and more or less Sangamam is happening here. So let's see whether the Nifty is going to take a come down and go back. Again, it got rejected, and then again it may even come down to this level, which we already talked about in our last week video. Then coming to Fibonacci, then again we are heading for, as we rightly said, below this we are heading for this area, and more or less it is 0.382, but predominantly Nifty may come and rest at this level, which is 24,006, another 400 points downside from here. And coming to Bank Nifty, again more weak than Nifty. Possibility we are heading towards this 200-day SMA. And coming to Pitchfork, we rightly said before itself, once we rejects here, we come back to this blue, and again once we rejects from the blue, it will come back to green, and again once it rejects from there, it will come back to this line. So now close below, we are heading for this area, which is the major support for Bank Nifty based on the Pitchfork. Now coming to Ichimoku, and again we are heading towards this area and break below. This will be the major support level, which is 51,960 level, and the first support will be here and the second support will be here. I have already given you last week where the market will take a bottom and everything, so kindly go and watch this video. So now coming to fortune signals, now it has given a G cell and the candle is definitely not looking good. So now if it holds yesterday's candle, the Friday's candle, possibility of turning back, but the buy only above this candle eye. Otherwise, there is no question of buy, and it will head towards this number. Then finally, it will break this also. It may even come down to this level, which is 51,967. So now coming to Fibonacci, then again we are heading towards this particular area, 52,645, and break below we are heading to this area, which is roughly around 51,011. So technically everywhere it is looking extremely bearish. So but we have continuous 2 days astro event is happening, 1st and 2nd. So we need to look out for the 2nd, which is going to be the Mercury event. So we need to look out for the 2nd of September, which is going to be maybe a turning point of the market. Now let's talk about fortune signals, and in 15 minutes time frame, it gave a sell around 24,950, and as of now it has given roughly around 500 points down. And when it comes to daily, it is at the support level. Last time also it came back and exactly from there it bounced again. Now it is reaching, and this area it's going to be very very crucial. The Sangamam is happening exactly at that area. Let's see whether the market is going to open little bit of gap down and pullback may come eventually. So now coming to Bank Nifty, as I rightly said, so I already said that G cell candle, if it holds yesterday's candle low, possibility of a small pullback. Okay, but eventually it will again come, give up everything, till October. So now coming to Bank Nifty in 15 minutes time frame, it has given a sell around 55,500, and it has given roughly around 2,000 points in 15 minutes time frame, and all the candles are in red. Now let's go and talk about the real numbers. Yeah, first and foremost, this is our time cycle for Nifty, and this date is very very crucial because of the lunar eclipse. And 6th September and 7th September. 6th September will be a major astro event, and again 7th is lunar eclipse. So 6th and 7th are holiday. So 8th we will see the effect on the market, and again on 22nd September is going to be very very crucial for the market. 21st September is holiday, so the effect will be on 22nd September. But right now for the coming week, 1st and 2nd is going to be very very crucial, and 2nd it's going to be very crucial for the market. If there is any sentiment change, it has to happen on this particular day. So I have already given you the timing for complete Nifty and Bank Nifty. And coming to the numbers, I will give the numbers tomorrow for the entire September, bullish and bearish number. So you can use it, for the coming week. And when it comes to range calculation, this will be the monthly range calculation. Possibility of Nifty going and touching this number on the higher side, and possibility of Nifty coming and touching down this 23,611 on the lower side. Coming to this week, this will be the area. Okay, so 24,765 on the upper side and 24,089 on the lower side. I have already given for all the indices, so kindly go and check. And tomorrow first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful. And this combination candle is already given you 300 points as of now, and you can use it for another next 7 days time. Whenever it goes back and touches that candle low, you can go short. In case if it closes above, wait for the retracement, take the long and enjoy the market rally. And I have given the timing for tomorrow. Now let's go to the numbers. Now, so in this is our number. So unless and until it is below this number, this single number, it is bearish for the entire month. Now this positional number and the intraday number also in bearish. So unless and until if two number comes to bullish, there is no question of going positional long. You can do intraday, whatever you want to do, you can do. But this two number comes to bullish, then only, I think it is 24,991. I'm sorry. No, 25,992. It is right. So unless and until this two number comes to bullish, there is no question of going long in this market positionally. And the spot numbers I have already given you here. And this is going to be the crucial number. Break below, this will be the number where we need to watch out for Nifty for any technical bounce. Okay, any technical bounce. So now when it goes to Bank Nifty, again looking extremely weak, and all the numbers are in red. So unless and until two numbers comes to red, two number comes to blue, there is no question of going positional long. You can do intraday, whatever you want to do, you can do intraday. So now I have given you the numbers on the spot level. Until it is below this number, possibility of touching this number 52,913, and the pivot is here. Okay, so that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Again saying bottom fishing and this market time, it is not at all allowed. Maybe according to me the market may come down to as I rightly said in my Ichimoku Nifty, if you go to Ichimoku in weekly, possibility that we are heading here. Okay, it is roughly around 23,700 level to 600 level. So we are heading towards this level, and now we are in Pakka C clamp. So unless and until it is not going to break the high on the upper side, the conversion line, nothing is going to happen. And exactly the C clamp may get confirmed. It's already confirmed. One candle, two candle, three candle, 4, 5 and 6. It is, C clamp is completely confirmed. So we are heading towards this area when it comes to Nifty. When it comes to Bank Nifty based on Ichimoku, if you go to weekly, so possibility that we are heading here, and this area, it's going to be very, very crucial for the market. If it comes and touches this area, and if it takes the U-turn, the move will be phenomenal on the upper side. But more or less it is happening, the second of September. So now we will wait for that, and then we will see. But any technical bounce, till it is below this, Ichimoku cloud on the daily side, possibility that it may reject. Maybe even it may even come down and then go and head here, and from here it will come down again. So everything is on the bearish side. So investment at this point of time not advisable. SIP, please load more also, no problem at all, because whenever the market comes down, if you put more money in SIP route, then you are going to, rupee cost averaging is going to happen, and you are going to get more units. And when the market perform in the later point of the months or years, you are going to make a killing. So SIP is yes at this moment, lump sum is not at all at this moment. We will tell you when to put the lump sum also. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon on Monday. Bye.